McDonald Design and Build's been in business since 1949. We've got 60 years plus of business in Northwest Ohio. We've got involved with Butler in 1969, became career builders in 1971. When we were at the sales meeting in San Diego, they brought up the skylights, and I was sitting with our foreman, Dick Leach, and as soon as they said Sun Optics, I knew I was interested. And Dick said, hey, you know what? That's something we can sell. We decided to take advantage of the buy 10, get one free. So as soon as we got back to Defiance, we contacted Whirler, which was a project we had under contract.
Whirler Incorporated was founded in 1969. Originally, it was just a trash hauling company. Since then, we've grown into recycling and employ about 70 people today and service around a 30-mile radius of Defiance, Ohio. When we expanded into a Butler building back in the early 90s, we have about 28,000 square foot of building out there. We have an MR24 roof, very high ceiling. It is very dangerous, a lot of equipment moving around, a lot of people walking. Basically, Kevin just presented to me the fact that they have a new strip light out that would do a great job, give us some more light and make it a safer place to work. When the lights are turned off, there's just as much light as if they were on. Does a wonderful job of lighting up the whole area. A much safer environment than what we had before, and it looks like, we're going to invest in a lot more of them.
When you think of MR24 roof, you think of standing seam and you think of no penetrations through the roof, and that's been the science or what we've been taught not to do. The new SunLite strip only has really a 4-inch area that you're cutting through the seam between the two panels so the water can divert over to the adjoining panel. The seams are still there. You actually pop rivet to those seams. You're using the lock rivets, which have been the best anti-water fasteners. With the engineering behind the SunLite strip, you really feel comfortable with the diverter area and the fact that you are cutting a hole in the roof. It really does make a nice watertight product. Before we started putting the SunLite strip in, we went through the facility with our candle meter and came up with what was a good lit facility, but it was costing us money. This afternoon, after the guys put the SunLite strip in, we came back through with the light meter, and we were pleasantly surprised that the light on an October day at 4 o'clock in the afternoon on a partly cloudy day, we were coming up with better lighting numbers with just the SunLite strip. Actually, the SunLite strip replaced 4 T5 fixtures, so we were real satisfied with just installing the one SunLite strip. We plan on putting 11 more SunLite strips into the facility, and we'll probably cut our daytime electric use substantially. You can't get anything freer than free light.
The light that comes out of the new SunLite strips is a very bright white light, and it seems to reflect off the walls in a lot of different areas. We can bring trucks in without turning the light on, not really needed. We're probably going to increase the number that we have, add at least probably 10 or 11.
SunLite strips are going to be a great opportunity for contractors to go back and open doors for past customers and be able to show them something that is truly innovative. It's a great product. We have it in our own facility. It would be a great sales tool for every one of you guys to go out there and buy at least one SunLite strip, stick it in your MR24 roof, even if you have to stick it in an MR24 roof for one of your best customers. But I would go ahead and do that because they are a product that will sell itself.